Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be your chef once again, guiding you through the preparation of another famous Chinese dish, braised pork belly, also known as dongpo pork. This delicacy will simply melt in your mouth. The best part is, with my recipe, you can enjoy this delicious dish for under $10. Let's start by introducing the basic ingredients and condiments we'll be using. First and foremost, you'll need fresh pork belly, as it is the key component of this braised dish. Make sure to select a piece with a good balance of fat and lean meat. Additionally, we'll need green onions and ginger. Cut the green onions into long strips and slice the ginger into thin pieces. Our list of condiments includes canola oil, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and cooking wine. For enhanced flavor, you may also add star anise and bay leaves, if desired. Now, let's begin by pre-processing the meat. This step is crucial to enhance the flavor of the meat. What we'll do is blanch the pork. Turn on the gas stove, and fill a wok with cold water. Add ginger, green onions, cooking wine, and then the pork belly. Wait for the water to heat up. It's important to start with cold water as it allows for a gradual heat up of the meat. This gradual heating process helps to draw out impurities from the pork, preventing any unpleasant taste from developing. The green onions, ginger, and cooking wine also aid in eliminating any unwanted flavors from the meat. As the water approaches the boiling point, you'll notice the formation of foam on the surface. This foam consists of impurities that need to be removed for a better aroma and taste. Carefully skim off the foam using a ladle or strainer. Be mindful not to let the water boil vigorously. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat slightly to maintain a gentle simmer. If your wok is not spacious enough, you can turn the meat over to ensure all sides are evenly cooked. Let it simmer for approximately 10 minutes. Remove the meat from the wok and allow it to gradually cool. Optionally, you can use warm water to rinse the meat, facilitating faster cooling. It's important to note that warm water is the correct choice at this stage. Using cold water will cause the meat's proteins to contract, resulting in a dry and tough texture. Once it is no longer piping hot, we can proceed to cut it into cubes. Ensure that each cube contains a combination of both fatty and lean meat for the best texture and taste. Now that we have prepared the pork belly and eliminated any unpleasant odors, let's move forward with the cooking process. First, turn on the gas stove and wipe the wok dry. Add a moderate amount of canola oil, as the pork belly already contains a good amount of fat. Swirl the wok to evenly distribute the oil. When it starts to smoke, toss in the green onion, ginger, star anise, and bay leaves. Add the cubed pork belly, and stir fry until each side turns golden brown. Now, it's time to add the cooking wine, which will help remove any remaining fishy odors and contribute to a pleasant aroma. Followed by the cooking wine, pour in some dark soy sauce to give the meat a glossy, attractive brown color. Finally, add a bit of regular soy sauce for saltiness and umami flavor. Keep in mind that we've already added dark soy sauce, so be cautious not to add too much regular soy sauce, as it may make the dish overly salty. Wait for the liquid in the wok to boil, while simultaneously stir-frying to evenly color the meat. Next, add a generous amount of hot boiled water to the wok. It's crucial to use hot water, as cold water can cause the proteins to contract, resulting in dry and tough meat. Allow the meat to boil, and remove any foam that rises to the surface. Optionally, you can add sugar now to make the meat taste even better. Once the water reaches a boiling point, reduce the heat, cover the wok with a lid, and let it simmer. I recommend braising for 1 to 2 hours for the most tender meat. After the recommended time, remove the lid, increase the heat to maximum, and let the remaining water evaporate. You'll notice that the meat has developed an appealing color. Remove the green onion, ginger, and spices to avoid consuming them with the dish. As the remaining sauce thickens and coats the meat, you'll know it's ready. Before serving, you can have a taste to assess the saltiness. If it's too salty, simply add water. If it's not salty enough, you can add more soy sauce. Now, let's take a look at the final cooked dish. Wow, it looks so delicious. I can't wait to taste it. Here's the summary of the steps for making braised pork belly. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this series, please show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel for more detailed cooking recipes and guides. I hope you found today's video valuable, and I'll see you next time.